Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Cylinders. Cylinders are made up of molybdenum steel or aluminium. Aluminium is used in MRI. Oxygen cylinder. Oxygen cylinder. Oxygen cylinder. The color of oxygen cylinder is black body with white top. Oxygen cylinder has a pressure of 2000 psi, that is pound square inch, that is equal to 137 kilogram per centimeter square. 1 kilogram per centimeter square equals to 14.7 pounds per square inch. 1 kilogram per centimeter square equals to 14.7 pounds per square inch. Oxygen cylinder is used on type E machine. Liquid oxygen. 1 ml of liquid oxygen gives 840 ml of oxygen gas. Critical temperature of oxygen cylinder is minus 119 degrees Celsius. Nitric oxide cylinder. The color of nitric oxide cylinder is nitric oxide cylinder in the next class.
thank you and thank you for watching.